Human being life, we have two kind of life. We have a happiness life and also the sadness life, which is a poor life.
Mena vie ya malamu, vie ya pasi po epesaka mutu mayele, epesaka mutu experience ya vie, epesaka mutu mayele ya kovivre na mokili.
Between the happiness life, which is the rich life, and the poor life, which is the sadness life, the best one is the poor life, the sadness life, because it used to give you wisdom and bring you more knowledge for you to learn and to get for your life.
Yango message moke tokoki kopesa liloba ebandaka moke lokola baventure elobi ekokoma monene ekozala pe na bakwenyo me po ekoma bongo biso tobandi nango premièrement totondisama na kondima.
So a kind of little message or preaching we can give you guys today, it's like the word of God always will start with few people and after that they will become many people. So for many people to become and the word of God to be everywhere, the one who started with, we should have put faith inside of us and believing in God.
On a histoire ya moke ya Jésus azotambola na bayekoli na ye amoni nzete moko apusani mpona koluka mbuma ya kolia e mbuma ezalaki te. Alors Jésus alakelaki yango mabe pe ekamwisaki bayekoli na ye.
So according to the little story about Jesus Christ of Nazareth, we can see in the Bible they had one story about Jesus which is talking then. One time Jesus feel hunger, he want to eat some things, but when he went to the tree, he want to take the fruits from the tree, but the tree was without fruits up on it. So Jesus cursed the tree, and it was surprised even his disciple the way he did.
Jesus ayebisi na bayekoli na ye soki boza na kondima bokoki koyebisa na ngomba oyo longwa kende kokoya na mai. Et pourtant ngomba edeplasaka te, ngomba eza juste vie ya mutu ndenge ezalaka. Mutu nyonso azala na baproblème e mutu nyonso soki achi kondima ngomba baproblème etungisaka ye ekoki kolongwa pe eke mosika.
Oh, Jesus also talked to them then. When you have a faith, you even can talk to this mountain, move from this place and go to another place. Or the mountain, the physical mountain cannot move, cannot go to another place. That mountain means the problem we can face in our life. When we have a faith for God, that problem, God will help us and will solve it for us.
Yango apesaki exemple soki kondima te Abraham alingaki andima te mpona kosakrifie mwana na ye moko lokola Isaac ke azaki na kondima yango andima ekopesa mwana me na nsima nango Nzambe atalaki kondima na ye pe atrouvaki solution mpona place ya mwana batia ebwele.
So that's why they also give us examples saying that if it was not by the faith, Abraham will not be able to sacrifice his only son, which was Isaac, but he accepted to give to God as a burnt offering because he had the faith to God.
Yango so tozali na kondima te tokondima tosangana boye te ekondima ekola sikoyo lisusu makasi totia na losambo badémarche tu toza nango Nzambe azala liboso pe toza na kondima ke ekosimba.
Because the way we are here, we should put faith. Because if we don't have faith, nothing will work. Let us put faith and put in the prayer for everything we are doing about the church, to get the document, the official authorization belong to the government, and everything we are planning, God to make it successful.
Yangwana neti moi témoignage ya moke na mokuse comprendre puissance ya foi to puissance ya kondimande to lingi to pesa moke.
So that's the small like witness or the message or the testimony about the faith. That's why we are giving this preaching.
mama moko azalaki na problème ya kobota akoti na hôpital bayebisi eke fo basala césarienne mwana aza na condition ya mabe mais na nsima nango ye azalaki na kondima abi nzambe ya liloba oyo tosambelaka ndenge nakutanaki na prophète Konde nakoleka na césarienne te nayebiki na kobota na kimia.
We giving one testimony. They had one woman in the church. She's a believer. That woman, she was about to give birth, but they need to do a kind of surgery on her to give the baby out, to bring the baby out, because she cannot deliver in the normal way. But she had the faith because she admitted the prophet Konde. She said that the way I admitted the prophet Konde, God will give me straight and I will give birth normally like every woman the way they used to give birth.
Ntango minganga badocteur babimi bakende kobongisa matériel baya bakutaki déjà mama abotaki déjà batuni eselo explication alobi ntango bino bobimi docteur moko aye kokota awa ndake kobotisa nga mais teni docteur azalaki nango couleur mosusu par rapport ya bateni nyonso ezalaki na hôpital wana et mama aye kocomprendre ke ezalaki présence ya prophète ye moko ayaki kobotisa ye.
Yeah, when during, because for doctor they keep want to make surgery on her, so they went out, they going to take all the material to do the surgery on her. When the doctors went out, they come back, they saw the lady already give birth. They was surprised by asking her, how do you give birth? She said, no, when you guys go out to take the material to come and do the surgery, they had one another doctor who came here, but the cloth you wear is different than your cloth. And is the one who helped me to give birth to delivery, to give birth to the children in a normal way, like every woman used to do. And after that, the woman realized that the doctor who came to help her to give birth, it was no one's else, it was only the man of God, the messenger of God, the prophet Konde Paul Dominique.
Merci, voilà, que avec Kondima, ndenge toza awa, nde tolobi na ebandeli mutu nyonso aza na baproblème etungisaka ye. Mais tant que toza na nzambe toza na liloba mutu nyonso azala na kondima ke ata lelo esimbi te lobi esimbi te eyebi kaka nzambe lobi kuna nzambe akoki kochange ma nyonso etungisaka bomoi na ye.
So this testimony is to telling us that the way we had said in the beginning about the faith, you know, that woman, she put faith that instead of surgery, she gave birth in the normal way. So if you also, by any problem you can have, when you just put faith, God will bring his help and he will come to save you and to set everything's become good and to help you in your problem.
Ngai moko naza témoignage ya liloba na yebi anglais te pe na nzela ntango nazoya ndenge tosola na prophète alobaki place nyonso obanda kokoma nzambe akobanda kotindela motu mpo adefendre yo e place nyonso na bande kokoma na Addis Abeba nakomi moto akogide ngai azalaki te ngai français bango anglais tozoyokana te me motu moko abimi po agide ngai kaka na maloba ndenge prophète alobaki ntina ye kokoma partout ezalaki kaka bongo.
Even me also, I'm a testimony, because when I was about to come here, the man of God, Prophet Konde, tell me that in every place you will go, there will be people there to help you, because I don't know how to speak English. I'm just a French speaker. But we can see during my trip from Congo to China here, God always used to send me people helping me by translating or by telling me what to do and where to go. When even I reach Addis Ababa, I get a problem. I don't know how to walk inside, how to find my gates, everything. But God sent someone to help me. This is also a proof that of when you have a faith in your problem, God will bring his help and support on you.
Bala na mokuse toli o etali kondima foi totambola na kondima avant na ya awa ekozala une année passée tosalaki accident mortel kaka na maloba l'homme de Dieu ndenge alobaki me bato mosusu bakufaki me ngai moko mosali ya liloba nabimaki sans esopa part nabokanaki me prophète ayebisaki ngai okotikala na defo te okotelema batia plâtre selo docteur efo esala 6 mois mais selo docteur ya molimo prophète konde alobaki 3 mois mais nasalaki 3 mois mpe plâtre elongwaki natikali normal.
So that is a little bit testimony about the faith. We also I have another testimony about myself. Like before I come to China here, like 1 year before, I got accident, and that accident, everyone who was in the car, all of them they died. I was the only one who got saved because I'm a servant of God, of the word of God. I just one of my part was break. After break, I went to the hospital. The doctor said that for you to recover, it should last at least like 6 months. But Prophet Konde, which is a spiritual doctor, he told me you will be recovering after 3 months instead of 6 months, the way they told you, and you will be perfectly same the way you was even before you get the accident. Nothing bad will happen to you. You will not have any bad things after recovery. You will be the same like before. This is also what happened, and it's only by faith.
Voilà, na mokuse peut-être continuité epai ya responsable na message ya kondima yango wana toza na liloba nyonso tu moto akosala tozala na kondima tozwi nzambe ya malamu ata lelo te lobi nzambe akochange makambo ya malamu ekozala. Merci.
That's all about the message. Maybe will be a continuity by the prophet Moscabea. This is a message that God has